Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Ocube. Today's tutorial is gonna be I got this beautiful trend on Instagram, GELE. So if you're new here for the first time, do consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. You guys are super amazing. So to start, I've pleated the plate already and I've laid it on her head, then I've crossed the two aspects of the ashoke. So now I'll take one aspect of the ashoke, the longer aspect actually, you start forming my plate, and I'll place it directly on top of where my last plate stopped. Then I continue forming my plate until I get to the end, and I'm forming the plate in a slanty like thing, like a fan like way. That's where I'm forming the fan. Then keep on watching guys and enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you all. And if you are yet to watch my previous GELE tutorials, what are you waiting for? Go and watch them, and please subscribe if you're just coming here for the first time. You will enjoy me, you will enjoy my videos. My videos are amazing. So guys, let's continue with the tutorial. So I'm just placing on and on until I get to the end, the edge of the ashoke. So I'll keep on doing it and slanting it, keep doing slanting, keep doing and slanting. When I get to the tip of the ashoke, I just arrange the ones I've done. Then I tell my model to help me hold the parts that please. I'm just trying to adjust the lens to make sure you see everything before I start forming the plate at the smaller aspect of the ashoke. I divided the ashoke into the ratio 70-30 actually. So now I'll cross the two together and like I'm doing a knot while I open the smaller aspects and do like open like a fan like thing. Then use pins to hold and secure it very well and firmly, and also all come out beautifully. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I